YouTube, what it do, man? We back at it. See what I'm saying? We back at it like a crack addict. So I'm just go ahead and tell y'all what I'm looking for today. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. So first off, let me just tell y'all what's been going on. I ain't gonna lie, I feel a little sick. Woke up feeling sick today. But anyways, I've been ghost, trying to get my mind right, trying to get my stuff right. As usual, ain't nothing changed. But I think I figured out what's been my problem or the solution to my problem. So I figured out when I was profitable, like months ago, the only difference between what I was doing then and now is I was taking partials. I don't know why I stopped taking partials, but I think that's literally what's been holding me back is because the psychology behind this is crazy. So it's like you could be in, say you in a contract or whatever, in one contract or whatever, you gotta hold that one contract. But if you trying to get a certain amount of money, you gotta take profit at a specific spot, obviously. So if it's too many points away, like if it's a lot of points away, of course the market is not gonna go just straight there. Like it may consolidate, it may pull back or whatever. But if you take a partial, your psychology is still intact, your mind's still intact. You're not getting scared of like, oh, let me get out the trade real quick. Or sometimes what'll happen is you'll stay in the trade too long, thinking that it's gonna reach that point, and it never reached that point. Now you just take a loss. But when you take partials, if you take a partial, say at like 25 points, say you get in like 4 contracts, depending on what size account you're using or in your how much you willing to risk and all that. Say you get in 4 contracts, you could take 2 off. Once it hit 25 points, then you could leave one. You could leave 2 running. You could put another one at 50 points, another one at 100 points, 75 points, whatever like your target is or whatever. But yeah, and you can move your take once you hit like the 25 or the second take profit. You just move your stop loss to break even. That way, if it does come back, then basically you just out with a short win versus taking a loss, if that makes sense. So basically, I ain't gonna lie, that was the biggest thing that I feel like helped me just be more confident in the market, less stressed out, and all of that. So I just did that yesterday, and I'm just continue to do that, and we just gonna see how this shit goes. So since we got this pushed down, I would like to see it retest this, or maybe even take this out, then go lower maybe. 15-minute fair value gap, bounce right off of it. I'm in early. I want to see it continue going lower from here, honestly. But really, I should have waited for a better entry setup, like an actual market structure shift. So yeah, not gonna lie, that was just a bad entry right there. I don't know why I even just got in that. Moving too quick, moving way too quick. Although I do feel like it's gonna continue going lower, I just can't pick the top, can't pick a top or a bottom. And that's basically what I just try to do right here. I'm gonna just take I'm gonna just take that small loss and wait for an actual shift. hmm So boom, what should happen right here is we should go take this little low out, create some type of fair value gap or something to do a slight pullback to, and then continue going lower. And first take profit is going to be here. Although I feel like we could go all the way to here, honestly, this little area. Let's check it out and see what happens. Unless they want to bamboozle me and we going higher today. That's what it looks like, not gonna lie. Get out of that real quick. So that's already 2 bad trades. Wouldn't even say that's a bad trade. I feel like that's just an early entry, and I need to be patient because there's no reason why I should be just trying shit right now. Although I do feel like we're gonna go lower, I can't just be married to that decision because the market does what it wants to do. It's gonna do what it wanna do. I don't know why I keep fuck. See, this is a prime example of what you shouldn't do. You shouldn't let the market trick you into getting in something early. Cause it's my third time getting in this same play. So it's like the first time I either should have just let the shit go, leave my stop loss, let it go, or just wait. And that's where patience come into play. Like, so obviously I still need to work on patience. Yeah, so when y'all trading, if y'all watching me, just learn from my mistakes. That's the whole point of me even doing this, really. And so I could even go back and look at my mistakes, and so y'all could look at my mistakes. So yeah, just be patient. Wait for your setup. Like I'm not supposed to be in this trade right now. I'm supposed to wait till it take this out, then like show some actual bearish movement, and then get in. So all right, this is where I would enter into a trade right here. Instead of getting in right here, I would have entered right here. So I'm adding 5 more contracts, and I'm gonna have my stop loss right there. And we may not even get a pullback to here, may because we just created another potential fair value gap. So what it may do, it may like either treat this as like a little order block, or come right into this fair value gap and touch this little wick and maybe shoot back down. That's gonna be my first take profit at this low. See that crazy wick off of this 15-minute fair value gap? You see what I'm saying? I don't even think we coming back to even retest that to get in. So I'm kind of glad I got in right here. I mean, we may, but once we come up, I'm definitely looking to re-enter. I may have to manually re-enter because I'm not sure if we're gonna get this push all the way back up to here. Should get to like right here maybe and bounce off of this VWAP. Okay, we did get back all the way up there. So we can just get a reversal here, that'd be great. But that was a strong momentum up, so we'll see. We shall see. Let's just get this over with. That's just me though. Should be able to hold that, and I'm gonna just take a short take profit right here, and then on the micros, I'll take half off right here, half off right there. Oh shit, they just finessed me. Let's see, boy. Definitely over leveraging right now. That's why I'm honestly, my mind is unsettled because in this area it's like, damn, I don't want it to go up there and take me out. But if you don't over leverage, you ain't even gonna be worried about that. I'm gonna get out right there. Just trying to fake me out. If I got in, I should have got in at the top. But of course, I was scared. And I need to stop doing that. Getting in early, I should do the same thing like over here. Wait till a break and then wait for a fair value gap or some type of entry and then get in. Because it shit fuck with my nerves. Making my nerves bad. So boom, this would be, if this were to hold, that would be entry. Honestly, I ain't even want to come back on here and make no videos just because like I told myself I wouldn't make no more videos until I have a funded account, and I guess y'all like the transparency. And somebody in my Discord was just telling me like, yeah, like, well, actually a couple folks was like, where you been with the videos? Subscribe for the transparency and stuff like that, even if I ain't perfect. So now I'm here, we back. Here to show y'all the wins and the losses. You dig what I'm saying? Up. So yeah, as y'all can see, it just lost $700, thinking that it's going to go down, but it did not. Just got finessed, came back into this fair value gap, but now it's looking like it want to do what the fuck. Hold on, bro. This shit be blowing me sometimes. I ain't gonna cap. It's like I low key just need to wait and see what it wants to do. So boom, what happened was it went down here, came back up. This was a strong move up. Use this as a fair value gap and it bounced off of here to try to go up, but I don't think it's gonna hold. Cause if so, it should have hit it and then kept going up. We finna see right here. Okay, so boom, had a whole lot of manipulation right here. Got stopped out twice. I really should have stayed in my first trade. Really, if I just left my stop loss and wait for it to hit it, but in too many contracts, so feeling hesitant. Like hell nah, I can't let it hit my stop loss. Got out what 3-4 times, but yeah. Anyways, we broke out of this low, and we even came and broke this low too, created this fair value gap. So I had already got in, and I just got in another contract once it got into this fair value gap for real. And yeah, now we're here. So I'm gonna have a take profit right here at the bottom of these lows, and then one at the bottom right here, and I should be good. I'm gonna be done for today if it wants to go in our favor, because market has been doing a whole lot of, not a whole lot, I ain't gonna say a whole lot, but just a little manipulation right here. But we should be good now. But I ain't gonna lie, it's crazy just to see how far I've came. Like since January, I literally have been on the. I haven't missed a day on the market, so I literally be watching price action every day. Like, of course, you never gonna know exactly what the market gonna do, but I kind of seen patterns so many times in so many different market conditions. So now it's like, okay, cool. I know when certain things are gonna happen. So this should, if it don't hold right here, we may even go back up here and retest this, or even go back up here, take out these little highs, and then hopefully continue going lower. But yeah, it just come with time, like to even know how to do all of this. Like, because when I used to trade a couple years ago, I thought I knew how to trade, but I didn't even know nothing. I ain't gonna lie, I get deep for real. So just to see how far I even came now is crazy. Definitely need a turnaround, because as you can see, I'm already down 1,000 right now on a 50K account, which shouldn't even be happening. I should have took the 1,000, and if I wanted to get in another setup, wait for later. But we here. There we go. There we go. There we go. That was a little risky, and that was a little scary for a second. I ain't gonna lie, boy. Let's see if we can continue going lower though. The job is not finished until it's taken out. $1,500 loss. Crazy, bro. That is actually crazy. $400 away from losing my account, and that's just what it is. So I don't fucking know, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Sometimes I be feel like I know what I'm doing. Today is just not one of those days. Oh, but watch the shit go in my direction. Soon as I stop trading, bro. It does this shit every time. I don't know. I don't know. I gotta work on my entry something, bro. But I feel like my entries is good. So I really don't know. I don't know. I don't know what to tell y'all, man. I really don't know. They fucking all my money up. You see what I'm saying? This is the one though. This is like a crown reversal, if that makes sense. Bro, if this shit respects that, that is great. Not gonna lie, I'm off this shit, bro. I'm done with this shit, bro. Catch y'all on the flip side. This might get uploaded, it might not. I'm going.